Good morning everybody. I'm going to do you a walk round of the three cars we've got here at the Melbourne Kit Car Show. This is day 2. Yesterday was a really good day, so we're going to do a little walk round. So this is our GT40. So when you can get a close up of the inside. This particular one is running the latest Coyote engine on the very first set of the Gen V Heritage throttle bodies that was supplied to us by Mike from Gen V Dynamics. So moving on, we'll go around to our new demonstrator, Cobra. So this is brand new. We've just done about 100 miles in it. This is running the 495 horsepower LS3. We've made the engine look more traditional with different rocker covers, nicely painted inlet manifold top. I really like the styling on this one. This has got black side pipes, black wheels, so it's quite mean looking. It's got some jack lifters on it. Very nice black interior, and deluxe interior with diamond stitching. And then moving on, we've got our new demonstrator D-Type. This car's literally brand new. We've not actually done many test miles in it at all. Again, this is running the straight 6 Jaguar engine. Again, this has got a Heritage throttle body kit on it from Gen V, so this is running fuel injection. Just makes it a very nice car to drive. And very period colours, black interior, the Curios blue with cream roundels. So why don't you all come down to Melbourne? It's going to be another nice sunny hot day. Come and see us, have a chat, have a coffee and enjoy yourselves.